it's Kimmy here, and now I'm back with another video, and for today's video we are gonna make some face mask using our used denim cloth. So what are you waiting for? Let's go now! Materials needed first is of course, denim cloth. Next is ruler to measure our face mask. Hindi mawawala, of course. Scissors. Some thread and needle. Yeah. A pen or a marker so that we will be guided. Some garter. So first we are gonna make some measurements and to shape the face mask. Here we go. The measurements will depend on the size of your face. So let's measure this. Okay, so let us now start stitching the edges of this cloth to make a form of a mask.
You got me feeling loved. Up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling love, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment. Yeah.
Okay, so here na naman si Brother Nicholas is trying to help me with this mask because this is also his project. So let us see on how can he finish this task that I gave him right now. Let's go.